I'm at Cottonwood Hot Springs. We're filling up this spring.
Part 57 of my 6-week ride, motor rallies, camping, and mountain passes. Riding out of the mountains in Colorado to Fairplay, otherwise known as South Park. Then continuing on to Cottonwood Hot Springs, where I will spend a few days soaking, doing bike maintenance, what I consider a day off on the road. Still on Highway 9, riding through Alma. As you can tell, it is raining, so to keep the GoPro waterproof, I have the microphone off.
Saw this store last time I was here. Super cute. And by South Park Pottery. They actually mean pottery. There's gorgeous stuff inside. Beautiful.
This store was making me laugh. Probably a good thing I'm on the bike and can't load up for shopping. The road I am on is Front Street. This is about a block south of Main Street. The historic South Park City Museum is at the north end of this road. I've been through here a few times, but so far haven't spent the extra time to check out the museum. I notice another storm coming in, check my map, and it's a bad one. So I cut my time here short and head out, trying to get in front of the storm. Looks like I will be lucky and miss a storm. The storm is coming from the west, headed in my direction. The GoPro is not picking it up, but there is thunder and lightning. I am now on Highway 285, still heading south. This is the area Pike and San Isabel National Forest starts. I will be in the National Forest until I'm in the valley. turning north on Highway 24 to Buena Vista. Looks like I successfully rode around the storm.
Entering the San Isabel National Forest.
This is at opening in the morning. I took a few pictures before anyone else was here, then put my camera away and enjoyed the soak.
I'm at Cottonwood Hot Springs. They're filling up the springs. No one's in this one yet. This is the hottest one, and this will rise to the top.
I saw these bikes in the parking lot. Of course, I had to go say hi. The super nice couple asked if I needed help with my bike maintenance.
Just outside Buena Vista, Colorado. I'm staying in the ladies' dormitory, and it's a good thing I'm staying here for a couple of days. I needed to clean and tighten my chain and oil it, so I did that. And I needed to pump up my back tire, so I did that. And just noticed as I'm leaving, my purse buckle is broken off. Going into town, getting some food, and getting something to fix my purse. It is a perfect day. Had a little soak this morning. It's about noon and 77 degrees out. First stop is going to be finding a drugstore to see if I can find bobby pins. I hear Raven. Hello, Mr. Raven. A bakery. Yummy.
The noon siren is going off in Buena Vista. I pulled over. I didn't have cell service at the hot springs. Having some bag issues. Luckily I noticed my buckle was loose or almost off before I lost it. Couldn't find heavy duty thread. Couldn't find my second thing to try was safety pins. Couldn't find that either. So I found some thin wire for picture hanging, so I use this. So hopefully that lasts. Wrapped it up, not just around, but put some holes in it and through here. Hopefully that lasts.
Okay, and tire stayed inflated, so that's good. I was a little worried about that. Alright, let me go check out this town and find some food.
In Buena Vista, Colorado. Just had lunch at this deli, it was really yummy. It's closing out now. And they've got live music across the street, which I think is going kind of on all day. Cute little towns, lots of shops. Downtown Buena Vista still. Try and get the buildings without cars. Yeah, cute little town. Enjoying the cool town. About to get what seems to be the daily afternoon thunderstorm. Beautiful morning and thundering in the afternoons. With the mountains behind me. And that's the direction that the hot springs are in. It's the mountains.
Alrighty, got dinner. The grocery store. And back to the hot springs. Or see, so please. To your side of the road. My area where I put my groceries down. It was neat. And the dorm room, the ladies' dorm at Cottonwood Hot Springs. This lady's coming back tonight, and I'm here. So yeah, nice little area, and cheaper than staying at the hotel. And don't have to stay at the tent. I am leaving Cottonwood Hot Springs. I was here for 2 nights. Stayed in the ladies' dorm, women's dorm. So had awesome time soaking in the springs. So I had really nice different roommates for each night. Hello, butterfly. Leaving San Isabel National Forest.
Like, subscribe, share, and add a comment. Follow me on social media, links in the description below.